Talk about bird on a wire. I have all these birds outside my house just sitting in a line right on the wire. Absolutely beautiful. I could hear so many of them in the trees. They're all flying. It's beautiful. One of my hobbies is bird watching, so I had to show this video. Just amazing. There's hundreds of birds in the tree. They're just flying right out in front of my house, and it's just beautiful. I love all types of animals. It's just amazing. God's creatures. When they say bird on a wire, here you go. Wow. Hundreds of birds, hundreds in the tree. All flying. That is beautiful music. Listening to the birds chirping. I love listening to the birds chirping. It's music to my ears. It's amazing. Oh, there they all go. All of a sudden they stopped and they flew away. Wow. They're going back to that tree. Something spooked them, but they went back. Beautiful.